Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode, we are going to be learning how to change server in Honkai Star Rail. If you want to switch servers in Honkai Star Rail to play with friends or reduce lag, this updated tutorial will guide you through step by step. First of all, open Honkai Star Rail application on your smartphone and wait for the login screen to appear. Once you see this menu, don't start the game yet, but go ahead and tap on the chosen server. For myself, there's Asia at the moment, simply tap on it. From the server catalog, go ahead and select a new server you want to change to. After you choose the server, click on confirm and then click on the start game button. Now tap on tap to start button and you will be able to start the game. Remember that your game's progress is tied to each server. Changing servers means starting fresh. Your old account progress will not carry over. After selecting the new server, you can go ahead and log in or create a new character and start the game. And that's it. You have now successfully switched server in Honkai Star Rail. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.